Hi my respected friends, this video is for Omillionaire draw players. Next draw is drawing on 18th August 2022. Dear friends, in this video I will show some even and odd tips according to the past result they picked. Number 1, friends, whenever two numbers came in even, in next draw the three numbers will come in even and four numbers came in odd. So let's see, please look at carefully. In first time you can see 26 and 44. These two numbers came in even. Remaining all numbers 1, 19, 27, 35, 39 was in odd. In next draw you can see three numbers was came in even numbers. Number 1 is 2, then 10, and third one is 38. Second time first number is even 12 and 38. Two numbers was came in even. After that you can see number 1 is 10, number 2 is 16, and third one is 26. These three numbers was came in even. Third time with the same procedure they picked the numbers. When two numbers came in even, number 1 is 8 and number 2 is 40. After that in next draw, first number is 12, then second number is 38 and third number is 42. Three numbers was came in even. Now our previous result, in this result you can see two numbers came in even. Number 1 is 2 and number 2 is 16. Remaining five numbers in odd. You can see 7, 23, 37, 39 and 41. Friends, according to this past history, in our upcoming draw, three numbers should come in even and four numbers should come in odd. I have 7 powerful numbers in both. First we write in even. I have powerful 7 numbers. Number 1 is 2, 4, 16, 20, 28, 36 and 40. Friends, these are powerful numbers according to my research in even. You should select three numbers from here. Then odd, I have also 7 numbers in odd. 7, 15, 19, 21, 29, 35 and 43. Friends, these are 7 numbers in odd. You can select four numbers from here. If you don't like any number from it, then it's up to you. You can select any other number, but don't forget this pattern. You should select 3 even numbers and 4 odd number in your selection. Okay friends, it is powerful game. So I hope it will give you some help for your winning. So in the end, good luck to all and wait for my next video and goodbye.